Why do 70% of homeowners miss out on their dishwasher's best features? Well, let's change that. First, give those dishes a quick rinse. No need to go crazy, just get the chunks off. Next, load them up. Plates on the bottom rack, glasses up top, and silverware in the basket. Easy, right? Now add your detergent. Pods, powder or liquid, your call. Just make sure it goes in the right compartment. Pick your cycle. For daily loads, normal works like a charm. Got some tough stains? Try heavy duty. Hit that start button and relax. Your dishwasher is now in charge. Remember, regular maintenance keeps it running smoothly. So clean the filter and check for blockages every month or so. There you go. Mastering your dishwasher in minutes. Now go enjoy that extra free time.